It's better than nothing. He's a cute guy.
Oh, he just pissed on me. He pissed right in my eye.
That might not be piss. It's big, dude. Oh, gosh. Yeah, that does feel good.
Make sure you drag it back. Make sure you drag it.
Yeah, I got it.
Right. I'll get you.
Was right earlier. This might actually be too big.
Nah.
You don't think so?
They're deceiving sometimes.
Well, I'm feeling his weight. He's heavy. Catch a few more of those. I might have to come back tomorrow.
Oh, he might be a keeper.
Oh, it might be a cat. Oh, dude. No, it's not.
It's not. It's a striker. Oh, he's a keeper.
Get him,
Nice
get him.
keeper. He's
Get
nice
him, get him.
Nice and fat.
Oh, yes.
That is a fat one, man.
Dude.
Look at the weight. Look at the fat.
Dude, why is it so big? OMG. The one you caught, they were this fat?
No, those first two I got this year were pretty skinny.
Holy crap. Look at this. Calm down. I told you that thing was heavy.
It looks like about 19, maybe 20. It's right there.
18 and a half.
Oh, you're still off by an inch there.
You think so? Oh, that's where it starts?
Yep.
Okay. All right, 19 and a half. Yes. Dude, that is so nice.
He wants a killer.
Huh?
You can throw him in here for a while.
Is my red thing blinking?
Yes.
All right, good. I always worry about that. Yes, my first striped bass. Dude, that felt so good, man. I knew I was jigging right.
Oh. Get your drag, yeah.
I got it.
Let him run. He might be a pretty big one. We gotta let that boy run. He's right behind you with the net. Do we need to turn? I'm gonna spin around for you.
Yeah. Big Daddy. This feels bigger than the other one.
Nice.
Might be over the 21 or right at it.
Maybe it's a tag. At least you can pull the tag on him. Because you can do that, you just can't keep him.
Yeah, please don't come off again.
He's hooked. You just gotta make sure the line don't break. He likes the back of the boat. Oh, here he comes. Oh my goodness. Yeah, he's a slot fish, man. That's over 21. Nope, can't do it. Ain't ready. Here he comes. Nope. Jesus. He's got a lot in him. Nope.
There.
Keep him coming. Keep him coming.
Dude, that's a monster. Yes.
Wow.
He's not 28, is he?
No. It's probably 22.
Wow, what a monster.
No, wait. Oh, he's 23. Just over, man.
What is it, 22, 21?
Gotta be under 21.
Wow.
That's a slot fish. First day and you caught a slot fish. That's a pretty fish, man.
I know.
You gotta get a picture with it.
You could text it to me, right?
Yeah.
Got my old man jacket on. Dude, that is a monster. They get bigger than that.
Ooh, straighten him out a little.
Look at that fish. I mean, he just hammered it too. All right, buddy. Go breed. If only he was a little bit smart. No, he's still on.
He's still on there.
I was sad because I said, he got away.
Giving up. I thought you were gonna throw your rod on the freaking boat.
Well, it's not my fault that they give up.
They come towards you.
Or that's what I meant. You know, not I was giving up. He's not big.
17, 16? Yeah, we got a school right here, man. For sure. You're on your own with that one. He could be a keeper, man. That's close.
I think he is 16. All right, buddy. Get. Do they have any spots on them where they can shred you?
Yeah, the pop fins and that's pretty much it. You put your thumb right in your mouth, though. They don't have much teeth. It's like bass.
All right, buddy. All right. 16. 16 and a eighth or something.
Pretty.
Whoa. Oh my gosh.
That's a nice blue cat.
Looks like a white cat.
Might be. Yeah, he's a blue. Did you swallow it?
No, I'm just playing with him.
Now you know what all those marks are down there.
Nasty catfish, they stink. You don't eat these, do you? Are they trash? Trash fish?
There's too much toxins in here. It's okay to eat the stripers because they're from the ocean, but I've heard it's not good to eat the catfish. You can have like one meal a month.
Jeez, that is a monster.
Well, you don't want to hold him?
I don't know. Maybe I do. Hey, 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 hey! Hey, hey, hey. He's croaking. Buddy the mud cat. Holy mackerel. I was gonna take a picture with him. You wanna get my picture real quick? That's easily the biggest catfish I've ever caught.